Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that can be Bitcoin have a green month in September, because the last time we have seen something like this was back in 2016, and now today things turned a little bit bullish and we are close to the end of the month. Okay, the second thing I wanted to talk about is, according to Matrixport co-founder, almost everything could be tokenized in 5-10 years, and what kind of change that can bring to the market. And FTX US wins auction for Voyager Digital assets. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and also check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. When we look at the market today, we see, well, green numbers. Bitcoin is almost up 7% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum is pretty much the same, almost 7% up. When we're looking at the gainers, Uniswap is the leader with 14%. Then we have Neo 12% and Steppen about 10%. Among the losers, almost none, because that's nothing in crypto. When we're looking at the candlestick chart, we can see here this green candle, and then this, we are on the 4-hour one right now at the moment. And as we have started since yesterday afternoon, and then we had this nice green candle early morning. Well, depends which time zone you are. I'm in Hungary at the moment. And now we can say that this is also a resistance level where we are right now at the moment, if you're looking at that. Or the next major one is around here, around 20,500, 700 dishes. You know, it's never exact, but you're always looking at the points where it was used as a support or a resistance in the past. And this could be interesting, because the first topic I would like to talk about is that can we have a green candle, a monthly candle in September in this year for Bitcoin? Well, historically, Bitcoin usually has red candles in September, so this is pretty much a bearish month. Let's look at this here, where here you can see September, and when you compare it to any other month, basically, we have the most red closing in September. If you're looking at different kind of months since 2013, we can see this chart. So back in 2015 and 16, and that was the only last month when we were, bullish. And can I zoom in just here a little bit? Look at this. We're talking about here about plus 6% for Bitcoin and then plus 2%. So really small numbers. Look at these numbers: plus 39, plus 27, plus 47, plus 14. So October looking much better, to be honest with you. And now when I go back here, yeah, we can see it now, the full chart. So this is interesting, that can we have that? And when I'm looking at here the candlestick chart, and when I go on the monthly, let me fix it in a second, then you can see that, whoa, that's not what I wanted to do. Then you can see that so far so good, but we are pretty close to this level right here. Okay, so 20,048 was the closing for last month, for August, and now we are right here. Look, we had this candle, but well, we're kind of in the middle of it, so anything can basically happen until Friday, because Friday is the last day of the month. And can we close in green or not? This is like a good question, but it's very important to understand that basically the whole world economy is still in the bad shape. So whatever's happening now, it doesn't mean that it will continuously just go up and be green. We're just talking about now that historically, usually September has a red candle, and we had, all the way back to 2016. 17 was the last red candle, and 16 was the last green one. So now the question is, will this trend, which we had in the last couple of years, break, or we will continue in red? We will find out this year. This week? Yeah, because Saturday it's already next month. It's October, 1st of October. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is about that almost everything could be tokenized in 5-10 years. So now it's a really big trend. Let's tokenize everything, as we have NFTs, when they are out, the non-fungible tokens, they help a lot. And now we have here Matrixport co-founder, and she's saying that almost everything could be tokenized in 5-10 years. So cost efficiency, improved liquidity, 24/7 market access, and removal of intermediaries, were the main advantages cited with blockchain infrastructure has over current legacy system. In 5 to 10 years, almost every real-world asset class could be tokenized in form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, according to Cynthia Wu, who is the co-founder of the digital asset service platform Matrixport. She's saying that eventually all major financial assets classes are going to be represented on this new financial infrastructure, and NFTs could be our instrument to represent off-chain assets like real estate deeds, equities, or bonds. The move on chain would make these real-world assets more liquid and tradable, which would improve price discovery and transaction activity, she added. Also, earlier this month, a report from Boston Consulting Group estimated that the total size of tokenized illiquid assets to reach $16.1 trillion by the year 2030. So pretty much in 8 years' time. It looks like that's she, Cynthia Wu. So it looks like that many people think that really we're moving digital, we're moving on-chain, and with NFT technology, which is not a JPEG. Yeah, I know CryptoPunks and all these kind of things, but there is much more in it, and it can really change a lot of things in the future when everything moving basically on-chain, and it will be tokenized like real-world asset. I'm really curious of this journey, how it will play out in the next 5-10 years. Okay, and last topic I would like to discuss is FTX US wins auction for Voyager Digital assets. So we do know about the trouble of Voyager Digital, and there was an auction, and the winner of Voyager Digital's assets is FTX US. So Voyager hints that its customers will eventually transition to the FTX platform after it finishes the Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceedings. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX has secured the winning bid for the asset of crypto brokerage firm Voyager Digital, with the bid valued at approximately $1.4 billion according to Voyager. So little information was given regarding what will happen to the Voyager customers still waiting access to their crypto holdings, with Voyager stating additional information about crypto access will be shared as it become available. So no news for crypto holders, but at least we do know which direction the whole thing is going. Also, Binance and Cross Tower also submitted bids alongside with FTX to acquire Voyager's assets, each proposing their own terms. But the winner is FTX US now. So Voyager entered in Chapter 11 bankruptcy on the 5th of July, if you remember, sometimes called a reorganization bankruptcy. It allows firm to retain control of its assets and continue operating whilst it plans to restructure or sell the business. And this is what's happening right now. So the new owner will be FTX US, and then probably when everything is settled, then we will see what's happening to the customers' crypto. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single weekday I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Very simple. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe, bell button, all. That's the only thing you have to do. And then you're getting these daily fresh cryptocurrency information. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.